My name is Shirley and I'm an intern at JSong. Today I'm going to show you how to measure yourself. First, you need a pen, a tape measurement, and a piece of paper. And we're going to start with the three most basic ones, the bust level, the waistline, and also the hip. We're going to start by showing you where is the waist. How to find the waist is when you crease yourself, when you bend yourself, this crease over here will be the waist, and it's the smallest part of your body. So to take the tape measurement, we're gonna start with the bust level. First, you put the tape in the back of you, and then you need to see if it's parallel to the floor or not by the mirror. Then you bend down a little bit, find the fullest point of your bust. And for me, will be 41. And then we will write it down, 41. After that will be the waist. Same thing, put it on the waist, around, parallel to the floor. Be parallel to the floor. And for me will be 34. We will write it down. And then you will need to find your hip level. Where is your hip level? Is the widest part of your body. And then you will put your tape measurement around your hip, and it's parallel to the floor. And for me, I'm 41. Okay, write it down. You will also need to know how to measure your shoulder for your top sweater or anything you need to wear. How to measure your shoulder is first you find the two bones on your shoulder. Right here, you can feel it. And then you put your tape measure behind to the back. You need to be straight from this left bone of your shoulder to the right bone of your shoulder. And for me, it's 16. And then you will write it down, this shoulder measurement. After the shoulder, if you want a fitted skirt or a dress, you will have to know your back length and also your under breast length. How to measure your back length is to find the highest point of your shoulder, which is perpendicular to your ear, which is right here for me, and then straight down to the waist. And then for me it's 17. You will write it down. 17. After this is the under bust. How to measure your under bust is under your bust and is the end part of your bra. For me, it's 34. You want to know how to measure your pants. First, you grab one of your favorite pants.
And it looks like our comic book thing is going to
put it on a flat surface. From the inseam, we're going to start from the crotch, the inseam crotch of the pants. We will measure it all the way down. And this pants is 30 inch. This is the inseam of the pants, and that will be the length of your pants. You will write this down. You could also do this on your own body. You will measure it from the crotch all the way down to the place that you want to end. If I say the ankle, it will be 25th for me. And that's how you measure yourself. And for more information, you could go on jsongway.com. Thank you very much.